The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. Asterisk, those were Charlie Munger's words, and if you've ever tried to seriously save money, you know exactly what he meant. Hi, I'm C.A. Goggin, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I saved and invested my first $100,000, the mindset shifts it took, and how you can do it too no matter where you're starting from. Let's get into it. 1. Increase your savings cap. Let's start with something simple but powerful. You can only save as much as you earn. If your income is $3,000 a month, that's the maximum you can ever save unless you increase it. So the first thing I focused on? Raising my income. No side hustles, no flipping stuff, at least not right away. The fastest way I raised my earnings was by getting a better paying job. That meant upskilling, switching industries, moving companies. Each job change brought me a 20 to 40% jump. Staying in one company too long? That kept me stagnant. Get paid to learn. Or get paid to earn. Ideally both. 2. Build multiple streams of income. After raising my salary, the next step was to diversify my income. I bought a property, rented it out, and stayed at home to save more. I tried multiple side hustles, most of them failed, but I learned every single time. Eventually, I found something that worked. And that extra income made a huge difference. Don't just think cutting expenses. Think bigger, how can I make more and keep more? 3. Live below your means, creatively. I didn't live like a broke student. I lived smart. Yes, I lived with family longer than I expected. But I used that time to bank the difference, over $2,000 per month that I didn't waste on rent. Find creative ways to reduce your biggest costs. Whether that's house hacking, car sharing, cooking instead of Uber Eats. This isn't about deprivation. It's about redirection, taking what you save and putting it to work. 4. Let your money compound. Once you've got your savings rolling in, you need to do something with it. Let it compound. You don't need $100,000 to start investing, just start. Even $10 a week builds momentum. Compounding is a snowball. The earlier you start, the bigger it grows. 5. Tools that helped me. One tool I used, and still use, is Trading 212. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and more even with as little as $1. Their Pies feature lets you copy other people's portfolios. Plus, they've added multi-currency accounts so you can avoid FX fees if you're investing globally. Call to action. Saving your first $100,000 is hard. But once you do it, it becomes your foundation. The habits, discipline, and mindset you build on that journey? That's what truly sets you up for wealth. Let me know in the comments, right arrow, where are you in your journey? Right arrow, what's your biggest struggle with saving or investing? If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and check out my video on how to save without cutting your quality of life, linked right here.